stay here in Taipei for 4th day. We're preparing to check out the We're going home, but before that we will go back to Ximending for the last time. We'll find that graffiti street there and have some lunch at McDonald's. Let's go. Pop Mart. Yung famous na simpulan na pinahaba ng pila. Ganyan yung kahaba yung pila, guys, up until there sa next store for that. We're back in Ximending. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We just bought our things. And we're off to...
O sige na, ilang side na yung nakita mo. Pero pa na.
Ayaw nga.
Uy! Uy!
Magkano? Magkano muna?
Click sa 200!
200 na lang. Maganda dito.
Maganda.
Kasi bathroom. Ganito yung kakalabasan niya. Yan. Photos being printed.
Ano yung tatay ko?
Ayun. Here. So pretty. Inagaw niya yung vlog ko. Wala na silang breakfast.
Ang muna lang kami sa vlog. Hindi mo siya pinalo. Ay, gano'n na kita. Pakaya mo.
Ay, it's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. We're done eating at McDonald's. So, papunta na kami doon sa ano. Actually, nandun lang siya. You see that? Sa dulo niya. Nandun lang. So, umuulan na. Umuulan. And now, we're back at the graffiti street. Graffiti. Back again, microphone check. Ay, may bagong ano. This is new. Tingnan nyo, may bago. Ganda. Ay, ito din. May bagong paint. May bagong mural. Ito din. Ganda. Ganda dito.
2 hours later.
Bye! Goodbye, Taipei! Goodbye, Simindeng. Masaya kami. Thank you for having us. May tao pala dyan. Ay, may Monica. Monica. Monica pala yan. Ayan o. Ayan na si Bini Manoy. Goodbye, Taipei. Mamimiss ka namin. So, we're off to get our bags here. Ay, retrieve. Barcode. Barcode kasi. Ang hirap naman.
Hindi na mo.
Ayun.
At mo pala yan. Yung sabi, nakalagay ito.
7 is open. Ayan na. Oh, kunin nyo na inyong mga bagahe. Ayan guys, we're going home na. Back to California. Thank you so much guys for watching.